Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name's Jeanette. I am a fashion TikToker, YouTuber, Instagrammer. I love all things fashion and style, and today I want to show you guys, or at least help you guys, find your personal style. If you look at some of my old videos, and I know that so many of you on YouTube love my style and you liked my neutral aesthetic, but if you've seen any of my recent YouTube videos, you know that my style has really changed over the last 6 months. During quarantine, I feel like this, and for a lot of people too, I feel that my style has really evolved during quarantine. I don't exactly know what specifically kind of triggered that, but over the course of the last 6 to 8 months, I've discovered that it's nice to not feel like I have to look like everyone else or dress like everybody else, or finding more of who I am, and a part of that is my personal style. Now, I don't like labels, and I don't like saying that my style is one thing over another, and so today I thought it would be really interesting to just help you guys maybe follow the same steps or the thought process that I did in order to find your guys' personal style as well. If you were someone who just liked looking really good and classy and neat and presentable all the time, that was me. And now I feel like I'm dabbling into street style, I'm dabbling into funky style, I'm dabbling into like a Tumblr Pinterest aesthetic, I'm dabbling into, you know, the 90s aesthetic, faux leather, you know, all that stuff. And so I really want to help you guys break that feeling of like I need to look this certain way all the time, and inspire you hopefully to try some new outfits, try on some color, try new styles. So if that's something that you're interested in, please continue on watching this video. I want to say a huge thank you to our sponsor today. It is Amazon Fashion. I literally don't know what I would do without Amazon. I shop there all the time, not just for household items, but also for my fashion, and you guys will be blown away at some of the things that I found on Amazon. Again, all the links will be listed in the description box. I'm so excited to be partnering with them today, and I want to show you guys that there is a way that you can recreate any of the outfits that you want to try from your phone that Amazon will suggest through Style Snap. Style Snap is a feature that is on the Amazon app. Once you go to the home page, you'll tap to the camera button. Once you've tapped the camera button next to the search bar, it'll pop up and you can upload any photo that you want to recreate. The best way to use the feature is to find an outfit not on a busy background, but just like on a blank background. So any of my videos will work. If you have a celebrity photo, maybe try getting them on a blank background, or you know, as minimal as possible, so that the Style Snap feature can, you know, dot away and search through all of Amazon to figure out what these similar items would be. You won't get perfect matches all the time, but I've had some good success with this, recreating some of my favorite celebrity styles. I'm excited for you guys to try out this feature as well. Let's stop rambling and let's get straight on into the video. The first thing I want you guys to do is grab a notebook, a piece of paper, a pen or pencil. Yes, we are going back to school. This is class. This is Zoom class, this is YouTube class 101 right here. And I want you guys to first and foremost write down what it is that you love about yourself. Write down what it is that you like about your body. Write down what it is you like about your personality. I want you to write those things down, and I'm gonna be doing it with you guys too. So for me, the things that I like about my body is I really like my figure. I really like how clothes fit on me, and that's something that I like to showcase a lot. I like my acne skin because I feel that it's a feature that not everybody has, but a lot of people do, and they try to cover it up. And I feel that in the high fashion industry, I don't see a lot of people with acne skin, or actually, like, I don't see a lot of people with problematic skin. And I know that sounds silly, but I really want to break the idea that you have to look a certain way to be high fashion. I just want to break the mold that you can have acne skin and have a rockin' outfit too. So those are some things that I really like about myself. I like about my figure. So I want you guys to write down what are those things that you guys like about yourself, maybe 3 to 5 things for each of these categories. The next thing I want you to write down is your measurements. This is so important, but you guys need to know at home what your measurements are. You want to measure around the fullest part of your bust, around underneath the bust, around the smallest part of your waist, around your hips, and over the bum around your hips as well. Measuring yourself is really important because you want to know how clothes will fit. When you don't know what size to buy, honestly, follow the measurements as close as possible and you'll probably be okay for the most part. Because I'm a in-between size, a small and a medium, for me, I like to always size up because I like personally being able to have it baggier and then like do styling tricks to make it look more fitted. That's my particular style, but if you like a more fitted look, then go for a maybe smaller size if you're in between sizes. The next thing that I want you to write down is, what is your style right now? What does it look like? If you can describe your style in 3 to 5 words or something, just jot them down. What is your style? So for me, 6 months ago, I probably would say my style is very neutral. It's very classy. It was very presentable. It was very clean cut, neat, I guess. It was very in the lines, is how I would describe my style. But the next thing that I want you guys to write down is, what is it that you want to change? What is it that you don't like about your style? Why did you click on today's video? What is it that you don't see in your closet that reflects yourself? So for me, when I look at my clothes, I realized that I'm not really a black and white kind of person. I have a very, very colorful personality, and I don't know if that always comes across on YouTube, but I really do. I have a very colorful, fun, bright personality. I've been told that by many people, and I just felt like my clothes did not reflect that until I did one video. And I did a video called How Color Can Affect Your Mood. And in this video, I literally put on all these different colors and in all these gorgeous, fantastic outfits, and I was in different backgrounds, and I realized after doing that video that it is so true. Color can truly affect your mood. It can affect your energy, your personality, how you walk, your confidence. Color can really do that, and I feel that in our society, in fashion space, at least in where I'm in and with the influencers that I see and with the fashion that I see online, a lot of people like a very neutral aesthetic. That's a word that I hear all the time. Aesthetic, neutral aesthetic, all that. But for me, I just think about fashion isn't so square, you know what I mean? Fashion is so colorful, it's so bright, it's so spunky, it's so fun because all of us are so unique and we have this opportunity to showcase our uniqueness through our clothing. Shifting gears on how I style my outfits, you guys get like a bonus part to this video, I guess, that I just want to give you guys some little tips here. Is this first outfit, I'm wearing a more bright pant, but I'm coordinating that with a solid sweater. And in this outfit, I'm wearing a bright, colorful printed top, but I'm pairing that with a more understated pant. And these pants are business formal too, kind of business fashion as well. So it still sticks to the same silhouette that I like, but the prints and the fabrics and what it is different. That's the first place to start kind of taking one baby step out from your style. So see where your safe zone is and where you're willing to push the boundaries a little bit. If you're more willing to try out a way different silhouette, maybe you like a boxy padded shoulder, you're like, I'm actually okay trying that out. Then try that out, but in a more understated neutral color. Sometimes we don't realize, but each and every day that passes by where we let ourselves just wear something that doesn't inspire us or just something that we're like, it doesn't matter, I don't care. Sometimes you look back at that part of your life and you're like, wow, like I actually wasn't really excited about certain things that I was doing in my life. And I know that it's all different for everybody, but for me, That's how I felt personally, and I think I'm in a stage or a journey right now. I'm in a season of growth and of really exciting things happening, and I think that my clothing really represents that, and a lot of you guys are seeing that on my Instagram as well. Like, I used to be so crazy about like having the perfect Instagram, and now I've really just let go of that silly hold that had on me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it wasn't too long and you guys got really inspired to try out some new styles and new pieces. Again, I'm gonna link all of these pieces that were mentioned in this video. All of them are pretty much from Amazon, and I love how much variety Amazon has in their clothing and what they sell. And so if you guys like today's video, please give this video a big thumbs up. That definitely helps me out. If you want that fashion inspo, if you guys want to know what to wear, you know, what's going on, what's new, what's trendy on Amazon, all that kind of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. We're almost at 100K on my Instagram account. We're at 98K, which is insane. I want to do a huge giveaway for you guys then, so make sure you're following me there. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!